welcome back to the channel. So today, this video is a bit different. It's a bit more of an information video. Terraclean doing the job of a DPF clean. Throughout the video, I have clips of the DPF clean getting done. It sounds pretty complicated at times, but it's really not that complicated. But any questions you want to ask, put down below, guys, and I will answer them for you. But let's get straight into this video and let's see Terraclean doing the job of this DPF clean. So guys, first we do a pressure test on the exhaust. See what the back pressures are. When you rev the car, you want it in the green, between 0 and 2 preferably, because in the red it means blocked DPF, which in this case we are in the red. So you connect to the DPF through the pressure sensor pipe. You cool down the DPF running air through it, then see what temp the DPF is at to see if it's safe to run the cleaner through. Once this is done, you begin the cleaning process, which breaks down the soot and it puts it through the holes in the DPF. Once this process is done and the clean is run completely through, you then start the car and give it some revs, also holding it mid-revs to dry out the remains of the cleaner that's been ran through the DPF. Right guys, so after all this is done, you need to do another back pressure test on the exhaust to see what the back pressures are, and as said at the beginning, it needs to be in the green between 0 and 2. If it is, perfect, but that is not where it ends. You then need to go on a test drive to see the temps. Usually going at a certain speed, certain rev range, over 3000 so to say. The temps should be 80 Celsius or just above. Because when it gets to these temps, the DPF then should do what it's meant to do, which is go into regeneration mode. Regeneration mode means the DPF heats up, which burns down the soot particles, which then leaves on the back of the car. But in some cases, when it gets to 80 Celsius or just above, the temps start to drop, which in most cases means new thermostats, because the thermostats aren't doing what they're meant to do, which is when it gets to temp, the thermostats are meant to close, keeps the car at temp, then the DPF, as said, does what it's meant to do, which gets into regeneration mode. So, if your temps are dropping, that is what you need, guys, new thermostats. So, there we are, guys. There's Terraclean doing a DPF clean. Not a Terraclean, by the way, do not get mixed up. Terraclean, DPF clean, two total different things. Terraclean is like just a system clean out, really. DPF clean, obviously, DPF clean. And there we are, guys. I've explained this the best I can, but if I have missed anything out, put down in the comments below anything you need to know, anything you want to ask. I will reply, I will answer your questions. But once you get your head around it, like to begin with, I thought, God, this is a complicated situation. It's really not. Like, doing it might be, obviously you need to learn what you're doing, but knowing what's happening, it is pretty simple, honestly. Please leave a like on the video, guys. Comment below any questions. Like I said, I will answer them. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification for the next video. Till next time, peace out and take care.